Hey everyone, today we're going to settle a classic mechanical mystery. We're looking at two components that often get confused for one another, but they actually power our world in very different ways. Get ready for the ultimate showdown, gear versus sprocket.
So let's jump right in with a question for you. What on earth could a simple bicycle and a complex wristwatch possibly have in common? I mean, one gets you across town, the other tells you the time. They seem like they're from completely different worlds, right?
Well, the answer is that they both rely on toothed wheels to transfer power. But, and this is a big but, that's where the similarity ends, and our story really begins. Because those wheels, even though they might look kind of similar, are absolutely not the same thing.
So let's dive deep and meet our first character in this mechanical drama, the gear. Think of this as the hero from the world of precision engineering and direct raw power.
So what is a gear really? In the simplest terms, yeah, it's a toothed wheel. But the magic word here is directly. The teeth of a gear mesh directly with the teeth of another gear, kind of like a perfect mechanical dance, where every single step is precise. There's no middleman, just pure direct contact.
The way it works is beautifully simple. The first gear turns, its teeth grab onto the second gear, and it forces that one to turn too. Boom! Power is transferred from one to the other, instantly and directly. It's like a firm, controlled handshake.
Because of that direct connection, gears are incredibly good at handling heavy loads. We're talking high torque. They also give you extremely precise control over speed. That's exactly why you find them inside your car's gearbox, or in the intricate guts of a fine watch, places where precision is everything. And yeah, all that precision requires some seriously accurate machining to make.
Okay, now let's bring in our second contender, the sprocket. If gears are all about precision, sprockets are all about solving the challenges of distance and flexibility.
A sprocket is also a toothed wheel, but it doesn't work alone. It relies on a partner, a chain or a belt, to move power around. The teeth don't mesh directly with another sprocket. Instead, they grab onto the links of the chain.
So the process here is a little different. One sprocket turns and pulls the chain. That chain then travels along and pulls the other sprocket, causing it to turn. It's less like a direct handshake and more like sending power with a messenger. This chain system is what makes sprockets perfect for transmitting power over longer distances, like from the pedals of your bicycle all the way to the back wheel. They're also super durable, and they're generally cheaper and lighter to make than gears. That's why you see them everywhere, on things like bikes, motorcycles, and conveyor belts.
All right, time for the main event. Let's put these two components face to face and see the key differences crystal clear.
So, let's break it down. First up, engagement. Gears are direct, tooth to tooth, while sprockets use a chain as a middleman. Now, torque. Gears give you that high, precise power, whereas sprockets offer flexibility for long distances. That's why you find gears in precision machines like gearboxes, and sprockets on bikes and conveyors. And you know, the all-important bottom line, cost. Gears are high cost and high precision, while sprockets are a lower cost, less precise solution.
Now you might be thinking, okay, this is interesting, but why does this really matter? Well, it matters because this distinction is at the very heart of how almost every machine around us is designed.
It all comes down to choosing the right tool for the right job. Do you need precise, high-power transfer in a very small space? You're going to choose a gear. Do you need to send power efficiently across a distance? A sprocket is your best friend. It might seem like a simple choice, but that one decision determines a machine's efficiency, its cost, and even how long it's going to last.
So next time you ride your bike, drive your car, or even just watch a conveyor belt, take a second, look closer. See if you can spot which tool is doing the work. Is it a gear or is it a sprocket? Because now you know the difference.